Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Hands-on with the Pria Smart Medication Dispenser. I've been testing out Stanley Healthcare's futuristic Pria device for some time now, a smiley-face screen that holds medications and dispenses them into a cup at the time they're supposed to be taken, ringing a bell as a reminder. And it can alert loved ones if a dose is missed. It's smart, reliable, and most of all, simple to set up and use. It has a camera to recognize you, or a PIN code can be used as a backup. Medications are stored inside a wheel, and Pria guides through the loading process. Depending upon how many medications are needed each day, it can store up to 4 weeks' worth. The only drawback is Pria, for now at least, can only work for one person in a household at a time. Find more at okpria.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.